Tēnā koutou e hoa mā. Welcome back to 2 Minute Te Reo. Today we're going to whakamahara. We're going to revise what we did in the last session and just add on one little extra, which you can probably see coming. But what we looked at last time was he aha e nei. All right, what are these, plural? And he aha e nā, what are those, plural? Whoop. Ka pai. So same thing, you can use it for anything. We have got some ārai kanohi, right? Face masks, more than just one, which would be he ārai kanohi tēnei, right? This is a face mask. Because we have got more than one, we have got he ārai kanohi e nei. Ka pai. If I wasn't holding it, instead somebody else was perhaps, the same thing, oh great, the same thing would be he ārai kanohi e nā. All right, we're not holding it, but often another speaker is perhaps, and use the e nā. The last one to finish off this little few sort of series of these sentences is the e rā, right? So something that is far away, that is away from you and the listener, and then you're asking, oh, he aha e rā, more than one thing, far away from you, he aha e rā. Maybe it's some puti puti, some daffodils far away, and you can't quite make it out. Oh, you know, like, what is that over there? He aha e rā. Well, what are those over there? He aha e rā. Oh, he daffodils e rā, right? Away from you and the listener. Choice, all right? Like we said last time, sort of a new kupu for you. Whakamahi that, use that, give it a go in your home and with your whānau. Kia kaha e hoa mā.